for the first phase of the Chhattisgarh would happen on 20th, the 13th, and the last date would be 20th. Date of poll being 7th November, and for phase 2, 17th November. In Madhya Pradesh, this coincides with the second phase of Chhattisgarh, and date of poll would be 7th November. So, first Mizoram and the first phase of Chhattisgarh, then second phase of Chhattisgarh, and one phase in Madhya Pradesh. Thereafter, Rajasthan, where the date of poll will be 23rd November in one phase entirely in Rajasthan. The date of issue of Gazette notification would be 30th October, and date of counting for everyone being 3rd of December. Telangana would go last to the poll, and date of poll is 30th November, with the date of issue of Gazette notification being 3rd of November. And the entire election process would be complete by 5th of December. So this is what is the schedule. And again, I request all of you, through all of you, to all the voters to please come and exercise in the festival of democracy in a true sense. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for those detailed remarks, sir. Just hold on. Just hold on. Floor is open for questions. Don't stand up. Just keep sitting and just put up your hands, and I'll direct the micer to come to you.
ये पांचों स्लाइड्स की डेट वैसे अभी आपको भेज दिया होगा.
It's being tweeted to you.
It's being tweeted, but हम दोबारा रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital. Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, senior experienced orthopedic surgeon, bone fracture, joint replacement, hip replacement और spine surgery कामयाबी से अंजाम दे रहे हैं. इसके अलावा न्यूरो सर्जरी, कार्डियोलॉजी, गैनाकोलॉजी, डेंटल, जनरल मेडिसिन, डायलिसिस और फिजियोथेरेपी जैसे शोबाजात में इंतहाई कामयाबी के साथ वाजबी फीस में इलाज किया जा रहा है. शेयरिंग और प्राइवेट रूम्स. अस्पताल में 24 घंटे MRI, CT स्कैन, 2D डिजिटल एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU और लैब की सहूलत दस्तयाब है. आपकी उम्मीदों के ऐन मुताबिक जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, पिलर नंबर 150, अतापुर, हैदराबाद.